Hello, good night. My name is Sharon Paez. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about time clause. In this case, if clause. What is a time clause? A time clause is a part of a sentence that tells when something happens. It usually starts with if, when, before, after, until, as soon as, and while. The if clause has two parts: the condition, which starts with if, and the result, which tells what will happen if the condition is true. Example: if I study, I will pass the exam. The if clause has four conditionals. The type 0 conditional is used to general facts or universal truths. The structure is if plus present simple with present simple. For example, if people eat too much sugar, they get sick. The type 1 of or-if conditional is used to real or possible situations in the future. When we talk about real or possible situations in the future, we use the first conditionals. We use the simple after, if, will plus where in the main clause. For example, if it rains, we will stay home. The type 2 or second conditional is used to hypothetical or improbable situations in the present or the future. The structure in this sentence is if plus past simple with the verb go plus the past form of the verb. For example, if I had more money, I would buy a car. The third conditional is used to unreal situations from the past. The structure is if plus past perfect plus would have plus past participle. It's, for example, if they had studied, they would have passed the test. The example in context. The first is I wake up early, I will go for a run. If you eat too much, you will feel sick. Third, if I am hungry, I will buy some food. There are examples of real situations. Each sentence shows a conditional and will happen if that condition becomes true. Thank you.